Hey Tech Motors family, this is the 1999 Honda Odyssey. It has 61,640 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 2.3 liter 4-cylinder with an automatic transmission. This Odyssey is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 4 doors and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. These seats do stow away to create more room. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. They also do go away. The number that y'all are seeing down here, 99,201, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 61,640. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll go ahead and start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. If you have any questions, we'd be happy to answer them for you. I do want to say that we really do appreciate the continual support that we receive from you guys. It really does mean a lot to us. We do appreciate each and every one of you guys. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.